What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we're making these juicy chicken wings in the kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not already. And turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of these uploads. After all the returning goodie, on the don't know some love on the ready for cook. Let's cook.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth would tear for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Okay, goodies, let's cook. So we have our chicken wings here, and what we are going to do is cut off the little end piece from the chicken wing. Of course, if you want to leave it on, you can leave it on, but for this particular recipe, I decided to go ahead and cut them off. Now, my chicken wings are not washed yet. However, I did take off the extra feta. I call it the suspect. So you want to take off the little suspects them off of it. You don't want to fry chicken wings with feta, honey. That's the worst thing ever. So just be sure that you at least clean off the feathers, if there's any, on the wings before you start cutting it up. But I am going to give it a nice little wash into salt, lemon juice, and vinegar. Now, as far as these end pieces are concerned, I'm not going to throw them out. I'm going to use them to make chicken stock or chicken broth. Now, to season after we've cleaned the chicken wings, we're adding salt and black pepper. We're adding onion powder, and then we're going to add some garlic powder. To that, we're adding some all-purpose seasoning. Then we're adding some paprika. And we're adding about 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next up, we're going to add some mustard, maybe about 2 tablespoons of mustard. And you want to mix this all in. Now, I'm thinking I did use about 12 chicken wings here, okay, for the recipe. I will definitely list the ingredients and the amounts down in the description. I get lazy these days, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I get lazy these days to put anything down there. So bear with me here. But I think I'm gonna try to put the ingredients down below. Alright, so now our wings look like that. I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now, what I'm gonna do here is check my oil to make sure that my oil is nice and hot. I usually use a wooden spoon when I'm doing this kind of a frying in my pan. So I'm putting my wings in and I'm putting them skin down first, okay? I'm gonna give it about I'll say 6 minutes here, 6 to 7 minutes on that side before I start turning them, and I'm fired upon medium heat. Alright, so you don't want to have your stove top too high because it's going to burn the cornstarch. After about another 6 to 7 minutes or so, you just go ahead and just turn them, just rotate them. Just make sure that they have a nice color. Just be sure that they're cooked, okay? You don't want to eat raw chicken wings. Just be sure that they're cooked on the inside. Alright, so that looks amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and take them out and set these aside. Now, if you're still watching me here, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notification. That way you will not miss any. You will not miss any of my uploads. Goodie. Right now I'm doing this voiceover. It's about 1:30 a.m. in the morning. And your girl up doing voiceover. Okay, so beard me, I'm tired. Alright, so I did add the second batch. And I did the same thing. You just want to go ahead and just flip and just rotate. Just make sure that it doesn't stick, of course. And that looks flawless, looks amazing. Now I want to give a hell of a shout out to everyone that's been riding with your girl, the ones that I'm a ride and die, the ones that always be there for me no matter how often I upload. Big up on yourself straight, my lover now. Alright, now after our wings are done, I'm going to go ahead and add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you don't have unsalted, no problem. Then I'm going to add some garlic here. I'm using chopped garlic. And again, my fire is at a medium heat. I'm just going to allow the butter to melt. And then I'm adding some chopped stewed tomato here to my pan. And then I'm going to go in and give it a nice little stir. Now, if you don't want to use the canned one because not everybody like canned one, just cut up your tomatoes, okay? I'll add it in other thing. Then that's simple. But me, everything in my kitchen is fast, easy, and simple. Now, I'm using some light maple syrup here. You could substitute that out for honey if you like. And I'm just adding maybe about 2 tablespoons of ketchup and probably a tablespoon of soy sauce. That's it. Now to flavor it up, I'm going to add some onion powder. And of course, I'm going to also add the garlic powder and balance it out. And add a little bit of black pepper. And some dried parsley. A teaspoon of white vinegar. And definitely some hot sauce because husband like it spicy. So I added about a tablespoon of hot sauce and that's it. Now if you want to add a little bit of salt, you could go and add salt, but I didn't need to do that because I already have salt in the chicken. I'm gonna want it salty and corny, like me I cook corn pigtail or something. So I didn't add any salt to it, but of course you could add a little bit of salt here if you like. After about 2 minutes or so, you go in and then add your wings. Now when you add your wings, you want to be sure that you turn the fire off, okay? Because you don't want this to simmer down and get soft like you put brown stew chicken. So once you put the wings in, your fire is already off. All you're doing here is just getting that good sauce on the chicken, just like I'm doing here. And then all you have to simply do is put it in a plate and get it ready for serving. That's it. Just turn the fire off. You'll notice that the sauce will dissolve. That's because you have cornstarch on your wings, and the cornstarch will suck the gravy up, and that is exactly what you want to have here. Now, if you are going to eat rice and peas, then something with it you want to maybe take out some of the gravy, so you'll have gravy for your rice and peas. Okay, but that is it. That is how it looks. The fire is off and it's very simple. That's fast, y'all. Just go ahead and just put it on your plate and everybody just eat from the plates. But what I did just for presentation only, because I want to impress husband, I did add some dried parsley, just sprinkle on top, and then I added some sesame seeds, a little bit of decor and stuff like that. That was it, and it was finished. So I did serve this up today with some Hawaiian rolls and stuff. I never put no rice on them, something with it, but just a Hawaiian roll. But I wanted to show you guys how juicy the wings are and how beautiful it looks and the color and how tender it is. And it's just, look at that, all that good juices on the skin of the chicken wings. Amazing, y'all. This is one of those chicken wings recipe that you have to try. You just can't resist it because it's so fast, it's so easy, and it's so simple, and it's delicious any day of the week. It's perfect for just about any day of the week. So make sure say una spread the love, okay? Tell the girl up the street, tell the man down the road, tell the neighbor, spread it, share it to your social media, put it on Instagram, put it on your Facebook page, share it, go to share it. Thumbs up the video and make people know we are going over here. Bring them come and send them come. Cause what? Me I wait. I want to get done doing all of that. Tell me what I want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.
My thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could